Sprouting your interest. Creative redundancy, the one known as CR. Soil right here. I'll put it in there and start it. Just make a little hole right here. Start to bury the root. Rainwater. Let the water seep into. And since I have it in a container, what I'm gonna do here is actually lift it out and actually pour the water into the collection vessel. Get the water to kind of seep through to the bottom as well. And if necessary, I can adjust where that seed is. Alright, I've added in the water. It's starting to drain out at the bottom from the drain holes. And what I'm going to do here is add some mulch around here. You might have seen this in one of my other videos. I've just watered it a little bit more. It's draining out from the bottom. Now just give it some time, sunlight, some water, and in time give it some compost. And as our world changes, we can adapt too. Our skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone.